Assalamu alaikum. 1 teaspoon. 2 cups medium onion. 3 teaspoons green chili. 0.4 tsp garlic. Red paper balls. gram potato. Add some water. Now wait for 5 minutes. Ginger powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Mix it. Now wait for 2 minutes. Salt 1 teaspoon. Garam masala half tsp. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. 1 cup tomato. Hold for 9 to 10 minutes. 750-gram methi. Mix it. Now hold for 10 to 12 minutes. The food is ready. Serve it. Like, subscribe my channel. Subscribe for more new recipes. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.